Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs easily. We'll cover 3 popular and straightforward methods: scrambled, fried, and boiled. These techniques are perfect for beginners and busy cooks alike. You'll learn how to achieve perfect results every time, ensuring a tasty and satisfying meal. Let's get started on your journey to becoming an egg cooking pro. For fluffy scrambled eggs, start by whisking 2 or 3 eggs with a tablespoon of milk or cream. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with a small amount of butter. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set slightly. Gently push the cooked egg from the edges to the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Cook until just set, then serve immediately for the best texture. To make a perfect fried egg, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a teaspoon of butter or oil. Carefully crack an egg into the pan, being careful not to break the yolk. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are completely set and the yolk remains wonderfully runny. For a slightly firmer yolk, you can cover the pan for the last minute of cooking. For easy boiled eggs, place your eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat and cover the pot. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 6 minutes for soft-boiled or up to 10 minutes for hard-boiled. Transfer them to an ice bath to stop cooking, then peel and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.